You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're an OG, you're welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Munachi Okezie. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to use aloe vera in 3 ways for maximum hair growth. And also, in my channel, I share a little bit of beauty, hair, and also female hygiene. If you'd like to join the family, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on my video. So without further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, I'll be making use of aloe vera gel. As you can see, I actually cut this aloe vera gel from the garden. And then I'm going to be cutting off the upper parts, which I'll not be needing. And then I'll divide this aloe vera gel into 2 parts. I'll divide it. And then I'm going to be removing the spike. Aloe vera gel has been known to be one of the best and wonderful plants that can be used for hair and also for skin. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. So right now I'm removing the spike, and I usually call the spike chuku chuku. That is what we call it here in Pidgin, here in Africa, Nigeria. So it also acts as a great conditioner, and it leaves your hair smooth and shiny. Aloe vera also helps to promote hair growth. It prevents itching on the scalp. It also helps to reduce dandruff, and it conditions the hair. So if you're having itchy scalp, then you need to get aloe vera and try to use aloe vera in your hair regimen. So now I've cut the aloe vera into smaller pieces. So you can see that mucilage. Just take a look at that. Just take a look at that. So satisfying to watch, isn't it? So as I've cut it like this, the next thing I'm going to do now is to extract the gel from the aloe vera plant. So I'm going to be extracting the gel right now. So I'll use a spoon instead of a knife. A spoon is safer because of the slippery nature of aloe vera. That's why I went with a spoon in order to avoid injury or any domestic accidents with a knife. So you remove the gel. Try to get off all the gel totally from the aloe vera plant. I've been using aloe vera for a while now, and I would definitely attest to the wonderful benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to promote hair growth, and it also helps with scalp treatment. Aloe vera has really helped me treat my dandruff issues. And I also noticed something while using this aloe vera, that it has also helped me retain my hair elasticity. So that's the much I was able to extract from the aloe vera. So you can see that mucilage, you can see how slippery it is. So I'll be pressing it. I'm trying to use my wooden spoon to press it down to see, so that I'll be able to get enough gel from the aloe vera. So then I went in with my sieve. I usually do not like blending it to get my gel, because I find out that blending it, it actually makes it lose its mucilage. You'll not be able to get that maximum slip that you want from the aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be extracting it this way. You can see the slip down like so. So I'll keep sieving it like so. As you can see, look at the quantity we're able to get from the aloe vera plant. Just that half that we did. So that's the quantity we're able to get. So if you watched my Instagram lately, I shared an experience I had with losing my hair elasticity due to constant stretching using the African threading method, but aloe vera has helped me get back my hair elasticity. So I've divided my hair into sections, and I divided my hair into 7 sections. First, I'll be going in first with my aloe vera oil. I went ahead to do a bantu knot to make it easier for me. You can see how tangled my hair is looking already. So the first thing I went in with is the oil. That's the first way I use it as a pre-poo. I usually go in with the aloe vera oil. I'll apply it on the tip of my hair and every other strand of my hair. And then I would use my finger to detangle gently. Try to detangle with my finger gently, like so. You can see how I've done that. And then aloe vera oil itself also helps with detangling. Now I'll be applying the gel on it. Now I'll apply the gel. After applying the oil, I'll be going in with the gel to help me aid in detangling my hair without any problem, and even it cuts down the detangling time for me. If you have 4C hair or type 4 hair or any type of kinky hair, you really need aloe vera. Aloe vera will come to the rescue when it comes to detangling. You can see how my comb is gliding easily. Just negodu, see how it's gliding. So I've done that part and I've twisted it down. You can see how it's looking moisturized and shiny already. So aloe vera can be used, apart from using it as a pre-poo, I use it as a detangler, and then I also use it too in my moisturizing routine. So I've done the other part. I'm doing another section of my hair like so, as you can see. After applying the oil, I go in with the gel. So extracting the gel in this way will actually help you get that slip. But if you blend it, it will be more of like a juice. It will have more water in it. Already, aloe vera contains about 75% of water. So look at how my hair, see that definition? Aloe vera also helps you to define your curls. Using aloe vera as a pre-poo, using the oil as a pre-poo has really helped me a whole lot. It has made life so easy for me. So look at that. Just look at that. So the next section I'm applying, you can see the mucilage. I'm applying the gel on it after applying the oil, and I'm massaging it deep into my scalp. Massage it thoroughly into your scalp. Just look at that. Look at how my comb is gliding without any problem. Easy breezy. Just look at it. Look at my hair. Oh my god, I'm feeling my hair like wow. So you can see that shine again. So aloe vera is really great. And not only that, aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory actions that may help reduce scalp irritation. It also has a moisturizing effect on the hair. Aloe vera also contains vitamin C, E, B12, folic acid, and choline contents that may help nourish and strengthen the hair. So if you want to see how I made my aloe vera oil, I'm going to link it in the cards above. Just tap on the cards above to see how I prepared my aloe vera oil. There I showed 3 ways in which you can make your aloe vera oil. Just look at that. So aloe vera can be used as a pre-poo. You go in with the oil, then as a detangler. After applying the oil, I apply the gel. It helped me detangle my hair easily, and then it can also be used to also in your moisturizing step. You can use the aloe vera. After applying your aloe vera first, you can then go in with aloe vera can stand in as your liquid, or you can do your aloe vera going with your leave-in conditioner Then you can go in with your cream, and then you can go in with your butter. It all depends on what you want to do. So aloe vera can stand as a moisturizing step for you. Not a moisturizer, but you can use it during your moisturizing routine. So I'm done with all my hair. You can see part of my hair. Thank you all so much for watching my video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have tried using aloe vera either for pre-poo, either for during your moisture routine, or for detangling. So let me hear that in the comment section. So do not forget to comment and like this video. Thank you all so much. See you all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.